Hey friends, welcome back. It is my favorite time of year and I am so excited to share my decorated Christmas tree with you for 2019. This year I went with a traditional tree with a mix of modern and farmhouse decor. I used red velvet with touches of black and white.
Let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So I got this. This is actually a twisty loop gift bow, and I bought 4 of them. They were from TJ Maxx. I'm using that as the topper because they have the red velvet edges of the ribbon, so it matches the red velvet on the other ribbon. And then I also picked up this black and white check ribbon from TJ Maxx as well. Once I added these, I really wanted to add some more pops of black, and so that's why I added the black and white ribbon. So I picked up 3 of these little chalkboard signs. They came in a pack of 3 from Target, the dollar spot section. And I just took some chalk markers and put some scriptures on there that relate to the birth of Christ. And I added a burlap tree skirt as well.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
If you are looking for some more Christmas tree inspiration, I will have a link below so that you can check out my tree from last year. It was very different. I used pinks, mauves, browns, creams, and whites. So if you want to see a different version of my tree, definitely see the link below. I will also have it linked right here for you. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.